Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can generate images using Leonardo AI. Here we can type and select this one, Leonardo AI. This one is the official website and this one is best AI tool to generate images. Here you can go and click on get started. Then from the left side here you can see different options. Let me select this one, image. And now we need to create a free account. Click here Google. If you have Apple account you can select this one. Now let me select my Gmail account. Scroll down, click here continue button. Now account is created and it is redirecting to the images page. Then again let me go here and select this one, image. You can also generate videos. Generate an image. How to make money using AI. And click on generate. Here you can see these are the 46 credits that you can use. After that you can upgrade your account. Okay, on the top 104 credits. Now it is generating multiple images. Here you can see this one is the result. Simply you can go and get the images from here. Okay, now we got this image and let me open it using pen tool. Wow, that's looking much better and very professional design. Especially here you can see this one, font designs.